Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Khadija Inusasan, a student of SS1 in Mumtas Comprehensive Integrated School. I am here to present a topic on biogas. There are various ways or methods in which microorganisms, algae, or plants can be modified for improved industrial performance. For example, in the efficiency of biogas generation, the mixture of gases produced by the breakdown of organic matter in the absence of oxygen to produce biofuel. From anaerobic fermentation of carbohydrate in organic waste material is called biogas. Biogas is composed mainly of methane, CH4. The optimum temperature for the production is 320 degrees Celsius to 370 degrees Celsius. The uses of biogas: it is used as fuel for cooking, it is used for heating, it is used for lighting, it is used as residue for fertilizer, and it is used to generate electricity. The advantage of biogas: biogas helps to lower methane emission. Biogas are able to curb the greenhouse effects. Biogas are renewable and a clean source of energy. It helps to reduce soil and water pollution, and biogas helps to reduce the dependence on fossil fuel. The disadvantage of biogas: it contains impurities and is not safe for automobile because it enhances corrosion of metal. Biogas generation is a temperature dependent, and a particular temperature has to be maintained. In conclusion, biogas is a mixture of gases produced by the breakdown of organic matter in the absence of oxygen. Thank you for listening.